What do you enjoy most about being a parent?
See, being a parent is a roller coaster of emotions. There are a lot of emotions which you are dealing with being a parent, and it is a job of, it is a very hectic job. आपको toes पे रहना है to be a parent, and it is an enjoyable moment also, and it is a thing, you have to keep up with the pace. So being a parent is keeping up with the pace, and it is a roller coaster of emotions.
Now, how do you help your child when she feels stressed or sad?
Yes, that is a very debatable answer. What I feel or what I do when my child is very stressed. जब भी मेरा बेटा बहुत ज़्यादा stressed होता है, he comes to me and you know what he does? Give me phone. That is a very bad thing. जब उसको बहुत ज़्यादा stress होता है, his way of recreation is increasing the screen time. तो उसको लगता है मैं phone देख लूँगा तो मैं कहीं ना कहीं ठीक हो जाऊँगा. But that is not good.
Now, how do you motivate your child to study?
Motivating a kindergarten child to study is a very tough job. There are two kind of things being a parent. You have to give a child reward as well as punishment. So punishment to kindergartens, I don't think so it should be done.
Now, how do you balance being strict or being friendly?
Balancing being strict and being friendly is very tough. At times you have to be strict. Why? Like children learn a lot of things in school from playground and everything. Sometimes they use such abusive languages also which are not taught at home. Be very friendly, so obviously the child will land up into a bad company. So motivating a child, guiding the child the right path is very important.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Jawad, a student of class 7 from Doon International School, Rajouri. Today, I'm talking to a parent to understand her feelings and advice for students like us. Welcome. Let's welcome Ma'am with bouquet. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Dr. Isna, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, GMC Rajouri. Earlier, I was heading the Department of Microbiology as in charge HOD.
Now, what do you do most? What do you enjoy most about being a parent?
See, being a parent is a roller coaster of emotions. There are a lot of emotions which you are dealing with being a parent, and it is a job of, it is a very hectic job. आपको toes पे रहना है to be a parent, and it is an enjoyable moment also, and it is a thing, you have to keep up with the pace. So being a parent is keeping up with the pace, and it is a roller coaster of emotions.
Did you ever feel, ma'am, did you ever feel scared or nervous in school?
Yes, I used to get very scared and nervous in school. I think when I was in kindergarten, nursery class, the only thing I had while going to the school was why मुझे school नहीं जाना है. And my mother, she is a gynecologist. She always used to tell me, no, I have to go to the duty. You have to go to the school. So that compulsion school जाने की makes the child very fearful. But what I teach my son is school should be enjoyable. And when the school is nice and they are taking care of the child, then it becomes an enjoyable moment. It does not become a fearful moment.
Who supported you the most when you were a child?
Obviously, my mother and my father. My mother, she was a very, strict kind of a lady, and my father, he was very humble. So both things matter a lot being a parent, humble and strict. My mother and father, they are the backbone of me.
Now, how do you help your child when she feels stressed or sad?
Yes, that is a very debatable answer. What I feel or what I do when my child is very stressed. जब भी मेरा बेटा बहुत ज़्यादा stressed होता है, he comes to me and you know what he does? Give me phone. That is a very bad thing. जब उसको बहुत ज़्यादा stress होता है, his way of recreation is increasing the screen time. तो उसको लगता है मैं phone देख लूँगा तो मैं कहीं ना कहीं ठीक हो जाऊँगा. But that is not good. So what is important is two-way communication. तो जब भी वो stressed होता है तो I feel कि उसको मैं अपने पास बिठाऊँ. I let him sit in my lap. Then I talk to him. क्या हो गया? किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया. Then he says नहीं कुछ भी नहीं हुआ मम्मा. I'm a little bit tense. So it is bad not to give chocolates to kids, but I do give him a chocolate. Okay, I'll give you a chocolate. Tell me what happened. So that two-way communication is very important. So I try to communicate with him. ताकि जो उसकी अंदर की gut feelings है वो बाहर निकल सके.
Now, how do you motivate your child to study?
motivating a kindergarten child to study is a very tough job. You know, there are two kind of things being a parent. You have to give a child reward as well as punishment. So punishment to kindergartens, I don't think so it should be done. And rewards are there. अगर बच्चा अच्छा करता है, give him a task. कि अभी आपको 1 से लेके 10 तक लिखना है. अगर he writes it nicely, then I give him a chocolate or something else. उसको reward देती हूँ. Okay, I'll take you somewhere out. क्योंकि being doctors, we both parents being doctors, it becomes very difficult कि बच्चे को आप कहीं घुमाने के लिए ले जा रहे हो या कहीं. So that mode of recreation for him is a reward. अगर वो अच्छे से लिखेगा, अच्छे से पढ़ेगा, then I take him out for an outing, for a pizza or something like that, or for an outing. So that recreation helps him and gives him a motivation to work hard.
Ma'am, how do you balance being strict or being friendly?
Balancing being strict and being friendly is very tough. You know, at times you have to be strict. Why? Like children learn a lot of things in school, from playground and everything. Sometimes they use such abusive languages also which are not taught at home. किसी बच्चे से सीख ली, किसी और से सीख ली. अगर उस टाइम पे I'll be very friendly, तो obviously the child will land up into a bad company. So motivating a child, guiding the child the right path is very important. So sometimes I have to be strict and sometimes I have to be lenient. Being strict is I tell him that tomorrow I'm not going to take you to the park. Tomorrow I'm not going to give you any chocolates because you have done a wrong job, you have done a bad job. Then what he does is, okay mama, from tomorrow onwards I will not do like this. तो जब उसको ये लगता है कि अगर मेरी रिक्रिएशन बंद हो गई या मेरा घूमना फिरना बंद हो गया या मुझे पिज़्ज़ा नहीं मिलने वाला है, तो then he mends himself. So that is the only thing. You cannot beat a kindergarten baby.
What makes you happiest as a parent?
See, being a parent is a blessing, which is a God's blessing. I think all should have, and some have that blessing. So, what I enjoy the most is I find myself in them. See, they are my humans. I find myself in them, how they are growing. So, sometimes I do remember my childhood. I also used to do the same thing. I used to fight with my mom. Oh, you have done this wrong. But then I remember now, I being a mom, that it was her duty to motivate me, to guide me the right path. So it is an enjoyable as well as a stressful moment.
Ma'am, were you a confident student or shy in school?
I didn't get your question.
Ma'am, were you a confident student or shy one?
See, I was very vocal. Like, I never had a stage fear or something like that. But the very first day I went to the school, I was shy. Then, you know, teacher is the backbone of a child. So my teachers are very nice. They always motivated me to go to the stage, talk on the stage. So I don't think so I was a shy.
Did you have a favorite friend in school?
Yes, I had a lot of friends, but I had only one best friend. You know, there are a lot of friends in school. आपको लगता है ये भी मेरा दोस्त है, जिसके साथ आपकी एक दिन लड़ाई हो जाती है तो वो एनिमी बन जाता है. क्योंकि जब आप छोटे होते हो, दूसरे के साथ दोस्ती होती है, वो दोस्त बन जाता है. So I think I had the whole class as my friend, but had only one best friend.
What is one lesson school taught you still remember?
Discipline. I was not a very disciplined child. I was always a latecomer. But whenever I used to rush to the school, my bus always used to get missed. And I used to reach on the door when it was about to close. So I used to get punishment also. I had to stand in the line. That taught me a lesson in life. Now I'm very punctual when I go to the duty. Otherwise, I was always a latecomer. So discipline is very important. You're not only having education that is important, but as a human also you need to develop yourself. So I think discipline is the thing that I've learned from my school. So whenever I have to rush for a meeting or anything, I'm always 10 minutes earlier now. Otherwise, my only thing was that I was always late.
What challenges do parents face while raising a child?
See, parenting is a very challenging job. It is very difficult to raise a child. You are not only giving the knowledge to the child or the education to the child, but you are making the child a complete human being. So what is becoming a complete human being? You don't only have to study. You need an overall development. There should be extra recreational activities. The child should be good at sports. And he should be humble. By the back of all, what you want to teach your child is social ethics. जब आप बच्चे को सोशल एथिक्स ही नहीं सिखाओगे, आप उसको पढ़ा लिखा के डीसी बना दोगे, कुछ और बना दोगे, अगर उसको वैल्यू ऑफ लाइफ ही नहीं पता होगी, he is not going to become a good human being. You not only have to excel in academics, but you have a family also. How will you deal with your wife? How will you deal with your kid? How will you deal with your parents? That is very important. So overall, social development of the child is very important apart from academics.
How can children show respect to their parents?
You showing respect to parents isn't the way loving your parents. Sometimes what happens, you tell your child, ऐसा मत करो, and the child become aggressive. आप कौन होते हो मुझे बोलने वाले? That is in every house. You know, somebody will take out the story, somebody will not take out the story. We are not going to. We are not here to show only the beautiful edge of being a parent. There are some tough times also, struggles also in life. जब आप अपने बच्चे को बोलते हो कि आपको ये नहीं करना है, and the child returns, the child says no, मुझे ये करना है, आप कौन होते हो मुझे बोलने वाले? So that becomes a very challenging job. आप उसको डांट नहीं सकते, आप उसको मार नहीं सकते. So what you need is a two-way communication. आप बच्चे पे thoughts impose नहीं कर सकते. This is a new generation. Thoughts cannot be imposed. You have to listen to your child. You have to sit down. You have to listen to your child what he wants to say, and then आप आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उसको counsel कर सकते हो. So that is all. It is a very challenging job. You don't know what the child is going to say tomorrow. So it is very challenging as well. You need a two-way communication. And upbringing of a child is, I think, it is the world's most hectic job.
Why is it important for children to listen to their parents?
See, बच्चों को ये लगता है कि my friend says कि वहाँ चलते हैं घूमने के लिए, let's go for a movie. And parents बोलेंगे no, it's your study time. You don't have to go for a movie because tomorrow is your exam. तो बच्चों को ये लगता है parents are bad. Whoever will guide you a right path is always considered as a bad image. तो आपको ये लगता है कि ये मुझे सिखा रहा है और ये मुझे इस चीज़ के लिए मना कर रहा है. So you know, restrictions are also a part of life. अगर आपके parents आपको नहीं रोकेंगे, you know, very spoiled brats also you have. There are many rich people also. They don't ask, they don't have time for their kids. They don't ask कि आप कहाँ गए, कहाँ से ले आए. And that is an era why children are landing up into drugism. Why? Because parents don't have time to listen to their children. बच्चा आपसे बात करने के लिए आया है, आपका रूम नॉक करता है, आप इतने ज़्यादा बिजी हैं, बोलते no, I have a meeting, please go. So when you have a meeting and you tell your child to go, where will the child go? He'll go to his friend, अपने दोस्त के पास जाएगा, उससे अपनी बात सुनाएगा, and दोस्त बोलेगा no, let's do this. So the child ends up into drugism. So it is very, very important to listen to your parent. A parent can never be an enemy. जिसने पाल पोस के बच्चा इतना बड़ा किया, वो दुश्मन तो नहीं हो सकता ना. अगर अल्लाह ने किसी को दर्जा दिया है माँ बाप बनने का, तो माँ बाप अपने बच्चे के लिए हमेशा बेहतर और बेहतरीन ही सोचेंगे.
How can parents be best friends?
You know, being a best friend to your child is tough. Why? क्योंकि what are best friends? What are best friends exactly? A best friend is the one जो आपकी गलत और सही दोनों में हाँ मिलाएगा और आपके गलत के लिए आपको बोलेगा don't do this. आपको डांटेगा नहीं, आपको मारेगा नहीं. That is a best friend. तो पेरेंट के लिए एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड बनना क्यों टफ है? क्योंकि पेरेंट कहीं ना कहीं जब बच्चा गलत पाथ पे जा रहा होगा उसको गुस्सा आ जाएगा, वो बोलेगा डोंट डू लाइक दिस. सो व्हेन यू हैव टू बिकम अ बेस्ट फ्रेंड टू योर चाइल्ड, यू हैव टू पेशेंटली लिसन टू देम. कोई चीज़ मुझे बुरी लग रही है, वो मुझे सुना रहा है मेरा बेबी, बट आई हैव टू लिसन टू हिम टू बी अ बेस्ट फ्रेंड. अगर मैं उसको वहीं टोक दूंगी तो वो आधी बात, यू नो, ही विल गल्प दैट हाफ ऑफ द थिंग एंड आई विल नॉट गेट टू नो व्हाट इज देयर. सो पेशेंटली लिसन करना, टू वे कम्युनिकेशन होना, अपने बच्चे का अच्छा फ्रेंड बनना और कुछ चीज़ों में लीनियंट होना भी ज़रूरी है. यू डोंट हैव टू बी ऑलवेज स्ट्रिक्ट.
What should children do to make their parents proud?
यू नो, एक माँ बाप के लिए सबसे बड़ा प्राउड मोमेंट वही होता है जब उसका बच्चा एकेडमिकली एक्सेल करता है, एक अच्छा ह्यूमन बीइंग बनता है और वो सोशल भी होता है. क्योंकि nobody wants, you know, that snob kind of a child और bookworm बन के कुछ नहीं मिलता है दुनिया से. You have to study, you have to have sports, you have to have recreation and you have to be social. इखलाक मुझे लगता है इस दुनिया में सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है जिससे दुनिया चल रही है. आपकी तरबियत, आपकी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आपका इखलाक बहुत जरूरी है.
What advice would you give to students of my age?
You are the young generation, upcoming generation. The only advice what I feel I should give it to you is, first is your studies, then is the rest of the things. आज पढ़ोगे तो कल कुछ बनोगे. तो कहते हैं ना, खेलोगे कूदोगे हो जाओगे खराब, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब. So being a nawab is a very tough job. You have to be academically sound. And the second thing is that अपनी पढ़ाई की दौड़ में कहीं ये मत भूल जाना कि you have to be social also. When you are doctors, you are studying for your MBBS or something. आपके रिश्तेदार आ जाते हैं, then you feel very annoyed. यार इनको आज ही आना था. I have my exam tomorrow. So just go for 5 minutes, salam dua करके come back. They will also feel good. And then concentrate on your studies. So it is very important to be academically sound as well as socially sound, because it will give you ultimately peace of mind.
How can students build a strong bond with their parents?
Strong bond with the parents is like you have to listen to them, you have to take them to picnics so that they open up with you. When you have a very strict atmosphere, obviously the child will not open up to you. How do you open to your father? You go out with your father, you might be going out with your father, talking to him. Then आपको ये लगता है कि मम्मा को नहीं बताना या पापा को नहीं बताना. One is always your friend. So one has to be strict and one has to be lenient. It is a two-tier system. It cannot be run like दोनों माँ बाप अगर strict हो जाएंगे तो बच्चा खुलेगा किसके साथ? So that is important.
What is more important, marks or good character?
I think good character, I'll give the first point, then marks also. If you are a good charactered guy, but you are very bad at your academics, then job opportunity you are not going to get. Job opportunity need marks. And good character you should have because you have to run your family also. It is a two-tier system, being good character first and then academically sound.
What message would you give to all parents and children?
The only message I would love to give to all the parents and the children is, first message to the parents is be patient. Take out time to listen to your child. Hurry, I'm a doctor, I'm an IAS, I'm an engineer, I have a job. What will you get by the end of all this? Right? If you cannot upbring your child when you retire, what is left with you? Nothing. They are your diamonds and you have to polish your diamond every day. If you do not polish your diamond every day, it is not going to shine. Like you have the jewelry, you keep it in the box inside, but you never polish it. The jewelry is not going to give you shine. So make your child shine. You have to take out time from the busy schedule and take care of your child. That is a message to the parents and to the student. Listen to your parents. They are your guides. They are not your enemies. हमें लगता नहीं ये हमारे दुश्मन हैं. माँ बाप कभी दुश्मन नहीं हो सकते. They are always your best friends. They might be strict, but that strictness is also for your goodness.
Thank you so much, ma'am.